Ever get hit with annoying sun glare while driving or struggle to find a phone spot that actually stays put? Welcome back to part 5 of our Amazon car must-haves. We've got 3 fresh picks that tackle those little frustrations. From window curtains for privacy and shade to 2 clever air vent phone holders, these are simple but useful. All the links are down in the description, so you can check them out quickly. Let's get into it. Ever hate getting into a baking hot car or feeling like people are watching you while parked? This car window curtain privacy is perfect. It's a dedicated shade that blocks harsh sunlight to keep things cool and shields your privacy at the same time. Super easy to install, and you can grab it at a great price. Tap the link below to check it out. Tired of phone holders that are just a hassle, whether you get one or a 4-pack? This universal car phone holder air vent is the better fix you've been looking for. It takes care of those in-car annoyances and makes your driveway smoother. Ever had your phone fly out of its holder when you hit a bumpy road? Product number 3 in this video is the car phone holder air vent ventilation clip. Its strong clip grips your vent tight, keeping your phone firmly in place no matter what the road throws at you. Quick recap, that's video 5. 3 more game-changing Amazon car gadgets in one spot. Which was your go-to pick, the privacy curtains or either versatile vent phone mount? Hit that like button to share, subscribe now for more cool Amazon car finds, and grab all the direct links right down in the description. Thanks for watching.